Welcome back to another episode of Psycosmos. Today's going to be a special episode. I'm going to go over how to fix your Avermedia C874. This is a pretty older model. It's about 10 years old or somewhere around that. And I've seen a lot of people having complications with this, whether it be installing drivers or, the hardware application of it. Maybe it's broken. So here we go. I got this pretty while back. I got it off of eBay. So this is what you do. The first thing, you got to make sure that all your cords are plugged in. Mom, what are we doing for dinner? Alright, so step one, you gotta make sure all your cords are plugged in. So the yellow one, clearly yellow, obviously goes in the red slot. So yellow goes in red, and then you got some other colors here. You can just kind of like plug them into random spots. It doesn't really matter too much. Red goes into red, obviously, if you can tell. And we'll put those in there. Then you got to make sure that all of your other cords are plugged in. This is a printer cable. That goes in here because that's just what you do, I guess. It's a USB. Always use USB 2, kids. If you use USB 3.0, the government's going to watch what you're doing. And then here's HDMI. You just plug that bad boy in. All right, cool. So we finished it. Now we're ready to move on to step 2. Mom, stop recording. Piece of shit.